Hey everybody, I'm going to do a real quick effect with some handcuffs. These are the real deal. I'm going to try to reach close to the camera. These are Smith & Wesson, that's the brand. Smith & Wesson model M100s. Anybody who's in law enforcement will know that these are the real deal. M100, right? So also got the key here, just in case this trick goes south. So I'm gonna put this on here. I won't double lock these. There's not really a need. It's just me, right? So I'm now handcuffed right here, okay? But the thing about this is, when you're trying to get out of handcuffs, if you get one hand out, just one, and then as you're doing your thing and you get the second hand out, you guys know what that means. It means you are free. Thanks. Have a good one.